Hello, second graders. Miss Neal here. So you have officially finished Module 4 for math, and now you're going to be doing Module 5. So this is Module 5, Lesson 1. So in previous lessons, when you were given a two-digit number, you learned how to show what that two-digit number was using 10 sticks and ones. So today we're going to be talking about a different way that you can show that number using 10 sticks and 1 sticks. So how that is you can actually regroup, or another word for it is decompose, one 10 stick into 10 ones. So if you look at the example, you started with 3 10 sticks and 4 ones. So 3 10 sticks equals 30 and 4 ones is 34. So they actually took away one of those 10 sticks and regrouped it way over here into 10 ones. And those 10 ones plus the 4 that you already have is 14. And since you had to use one of your 10 sticks, you are left with 2 10 sticks. So 2 10 sticks equals 20 plus those 14 ones. You still have 34, which is what you started with. So if you look on the first problem, you have 4 10 sticks and 2 ones. 4 10 sticks equals 40 plus 2 is 42. So I'm going to take away one of these 10 sticks, and I'm actually going to regroup that 10 stick into 10 ones. So there's that one 10 stick regrouped into 10 ones, and I still have those 2 from before. So 10 plus 2 gives me 12 ones. And because I had to use one of my 10 sticks from my 4, I now am left with 3, or 30. So I have my 10s, which is 30, plus those 12 ones, and I still have 42. The next one shows that I have 5 10 sticks and 4 ones. So that is 54, but I'm actually going to take away one of these 10 sticks. I'm going to regroup it into 10 ones. There's that 10 stick regrouped into 10 ones, and here are my 4 from before. So 10 plus 4 is 14. And I took away one of my 10 sticks from my 5, so I'm left with 4 10 sticks. 4 10 sticks equals 40. Plus my 14 ones, I have 54. And the last one, it shows me starting with 3 10 sticks and 8 ones. But I'm going to take away one of those 10 sticks. I'm going to regroup it into 10 ones. And there's that 10 stick regrouped into 10 ones. And I still have my 8 from before. So 10 plus 8 will give me 18 ones. And because I had to take away one of my 10 stick, I'm only left with 2, or 20. And 20 plus my 18 ones gives me 38. So this is just another way to show you how you can use 10s and 1 sticks to show a two-digit number. So now I'm going to put a number in this box. We are going to do 63. So first I'm going to show you what 63 looks like the way that we know it without regrouping. So that is 6 10 sticks and 3 ones. But if I wanted to show it the regrouping way, I'm going to take away one of these 10 sticks. I'm actually going to regroup that 10 stick into 10 ones. And now I have 10 plus 3 is 13 ones. I took away one of my 10 sticks from my 6, so I'm left with 5, which equals 50. And if I did 50 from my 10 sticks plus those 13 ones, it equals 63. We are going to do the same thing with these 3 numbers, so I'm going to start with 57. So to first show 57, I do 5 10 sticks and 7 ones. And to regroup it, I'm going to take away one of those 10 sticks, I'm going to regroup it into 10 ones. And I still have that 7 from before. So 10 ones plus 7 will give me 17 ones. And because I had to take away one of my 10 sticks from my 5, I only have 4 10 sticks, or 40. And 40 from my 10 sticks plus my 17 ones gives me 57. The next one is 35. So I have 3 10 sticks for 30 and 5 ones for that 5. But I'm going to regroup it now. So I take away one of my 10 sticks. And I regrouped it into 10 ones. And I still have my 5 from before. So 10 plus 5 gives me 15 ones. And I took away one of my 10 sticks, so I'm left with 2. And 20 from my 10 plus 15 ones gives me 35. My last one is 49, so I have 4 10 sticks plus 9 ones. I'm going to regroup one of these 10 sticks, so I cross one off. I regroup it into 10 ones. And I still have that 9 from before. So 10 plus 9 will give me 19 ones. And I took away one of my 10 sticks from my 4, so I only have 3 left now, or 30. So 30 from my 10s plus those 19 ones gives me 49. So just another way to show you how you can represent a 2-digit number using your 10s and 1 sticks. All right, my last page for you today is going to start with 29. So 2 10 sticks, 9 ones. I'm going to cross off my 10 stick, regroup it into 10 ones. There's that 10 stick in 10 ones, and I still have that 9 from before. 10 plus 9 gives me 19 ones. And now I only have 1 10 stick because I took one away from my 2. So 1 10 stick equals 10 plus my 19 ones. I have 29. Now we're going to move on to 62. I have 6 10 sticks and 2 ones. I'm going to take away one of those 10 sticks, regroup it into 10 ones. There's that 10 stick regrouped into 10 ones, and I still have 2 from before. 10 plus 2 gives me 12 ones. I had to take away one of my 10 sticks, so I'm left with 5, or 50. 5 10 sticks equals 50 plus those 12 ones gives me 62. And my last one is 73. 7 10 sticks and 3 ones. I'm going to cross off one of my 10 sticks, regroup it into 10 ones. And I still have that 3 from before. So 10 plus 3 gives me 13 ones. I had to take away one of my 10 sticks from my 7, so now I'm left with 6 10 sticks, or 60. 6 10 sticks equals 60 plus 13 of those ones, and I'm given 73. All right, that's all I have for you today, second graders. Good luck.